Let me show you how to elevate fish from a very simple entree to a very elegant and luxurious meal. This is fast, this is simple, this is very filling, and this will fill you up for very inexpensively. Stay tuned, I'll show you how it's done. The first thing we're going to do is turn our fire on, and we're going to blanch our green beans. Add some water. Once this comes to a boil, we'll add the green beans and boil them for about 3 minutes. Add a pinch of kosher salt. Let's let these beans come to a boil. We'll set those aside and let's start on the main entree. Now our beans have been boiling about 4 minutes. Nice, still green, good color. Turn the fire off. We'll put a lid on and we'll set these aside while I finish the rest of our preparation. Now comes the fun part. We have some whiting fish here. We're going to season this up with a little everything seasoning. Add a little paprika. Little cracked black pepper. Let's turn our fire on. We're going to let this fire get hot, and we're going to add a little bit of water. Not much. We're going to take our fish, place it in there, let it sit, add a little bit of Maggi seasoning, good stuff, and we'll put a lid on. We want the fish to steam in the pan and get barely done. Then we're going to add more ingredients to it. Fish cooks very, very quick. Seafood in general cooks very, very quick. So you got to be careful in there. Make sure it doesn't burn. It's about done. The way you tell it's done, when it flakes, it's ready to go. Let's flip our fish. Add a little bit of butter to the pan. Swirl it around. While we're making the sauce, we're going to take the fish out temporarily. We don't want it to burn. Fish is done, fish is cooked. Swirl your butter around. Get all that good juice in there. Then we're going to throw some green onions in. We're going to hit some garlic. Never too much garlic. Garlic goes in. We also want to add some lemon zest and some squeezed lemon. Last but not least, we want to add a touch of cherry wine. The cherry wine, the lemon juice will remove all the bits of flavor off the pan and just scrape that out. You want this is flavor. Turn our fire on, we want this to get thick. Sauce is done. Our fish is done. Our sauce for the fish is done. Now we need to put together the green beans. We're going to turn our fire on. Put a little bit of oil in. Our beans have been drained and they're going in the pan. Along with beans, we're going to put in some onions, mushrooms, and a little green pepper. So there these go. And tomatoes. Well, these cook down before we add any seasoning. Going to be good. Now let's come in with a little bit of chicken base. It can be any kind of chicken base. It's up to you. I'm using Norris chicken base. Get that mixed in there. Going to add a little bit of ranch seasoning. This is a great flavor enhancer. Let everything cook down. We're going to add just a touch of water. Once the water cooks out, we're ready to plate. Well, here's the final product. We took an inexpensive fish, whiting. You can use any kind of fish you want to. Salmon, grouper, bass. And we elevated it with some sherry, some butter, and some garlic. Green beans for a side. These look good also. Mushrooms, onions, and tomatoes. A little garnish, tomato, lemon. Let's try this rice and the fish in the sauce. It looks wonderful. Ooh, that's good. Took a very simple fish. There's our final plate. Think you'll like this. Try this. Let me know how it turns out for you. In the meantime, if you want to see more ideals, cooking tips, recipes to make your life easier, live on a budget, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, and like the video. It helps me a lot to make things better. In the meantime, we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye. This is great stuff here. Look at that. Tomatoes, fish, filling meal, one person. Inexpensive and cheap. Bye.